Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature 10 trending lob and bob haircut ideas. So if you have been thinking of getting this very popular hairstyle, this video is definitely for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these bob or lob haircut ideas, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So the stylist is doing a gorgeous short bob with this one. Beautiful feathered bangs in the front. Followed by this chic lob hairstyle. So she has like a light ginger hair color, and the stylist is adding in some texture with the wave iron. Now, if you currently have a lob haircut, you could purchase this from Amazon, and it would be a great way to add some texture and volume to your strands. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we see another bob hair transformation. So this bob is a little bit longer, making it more of a lob. Followed by another chic lob haircut. So there she is with her mid-length hair, and then she is with the chocolate lob. Next up, another gorgeous lob hairstyle. Followed by this short, chic bob haircut. So if you guys want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.